I'm so bored.
Hey, hear me out.
Like, I'm just gonna play some.
Everybody is thinking.
Okay.
Get some applause for his
Now
birthday.
we're here.
I think he'd be pretty sad.
Okay.
Lemon, how you doing?
Okay, this is a bit.
What? You
Whoa.
want to do what for your
Wait,
birthday?
what's on the screen? What happened? Wait, why am I burnt? Why is there? Ooh, wait, a grenade? That is cool. Okay. Shoot! Ah! Okay. Maybe we know how to use it. Let's try. Shoot. Get it out of here! That was my bad.
Attention. Event underway. Present yourself to the main square. Applauding on beat appreciated.
Okay. We gotta try some. Oh, wait! It's easy to fly! Let me try something
Cease.
Yeah, no. Wait, oh, this gun's horrible. Run, run, run!
Express bomb.
Get up, fuck! Oh, I have money. Come here, grenade. Come on! Keep messing up.
Calling it. This pigeon's a magician.
Shit. Ugh. Why? Wait. Fly! Oh, so that's kind of like that. Yeah, that's kind of. There's a bunch of stuff that we can do. I don't know why I like katana. I want sniper. Or
Search ends here. Fall back.
run. I'll look to my right. That's up. Wait, that's it up. Wait, where's the op on site? The op on
Target
site.
acquired.
Heat here.
Okay, run. What is on this down? Hey! What is I'm in a... Get out!
Vanished like my paycheck.
Huh. Okay. Oh!
Shade now.
Let's do something.
Breeze
Okay.
keeps me moving.
My car. No!
Corners feel friendly today.
Yo, that's...
I traded a thought.
Wait, can I give me... Come here! Yo, a fire station? There's so much stuff to do with birds. Like, oh shoot! I can't control it. Oh, okay. Wait. Frick that.
If I cut out, then I said something.
Yo! Okay.
I like declining the
Have a
storyline.
Okay, you're gonna have my property. Oh, nice. Hey, man. Okay. Now we're gonna get... Don't touch my friend. Never. Three.
fine line.
Pretty cops. Perfect! Oh, wait, is it? Come on. Hey, sniper! Oh, bye! I can make it. Can't make it. Woo! Maybe we'll bring you guys. Just come back. I thought it was die. This is kind of like Marty playing GTA. Work. Just hop that. Just gotta run cops.
Wait a sec.
Walking away from my own thoughts. Catch me if you can.
Yo, chat and chill. I knew that was a warning shot. Good chance.
Nothing on thermal.
The
Clear.
new Bird Game 3. Ugh. You know, I was just trying to play Bird Game 3 and then I became a bird in Bird Game 3. It's weird. Ah!
Walking the fine line between glide and goblin. Sidewalk cafe smells dangerous.
Yo! Woo!
Pockets light, steps lighter.
Ooh, party! We're gonna party!
Tiptoes of the day. Sweet.
Hey,
What's on the next bridge?
hey, cops! Oh, frick. Bro. Okay. Bye. Get me off of your car. Okay, get me off. Get me off.
Pace on. Change now.
Come on, move. Move!
Birds calling out. Straight ahead.
Okay.
Carry on. Feels fine.
Come here. What should I do? Oh.
Step 10. Late as nothing. Committed to everything.
Go more like it. Perfect. This is Bird Game 3. Hey! Oh, shoot me. Better run. Run. Big wall. Snipers are on top. You gotta help us kill a bird. Don't kill me. Hey! Idiots! Get off the bird! Your time.
That was a clean clear.
You know what else? Yeah. Birds do. Oh, no, he's perfect. Okay,
Try picking this.
hey,
What? He's out cold.
yeah. Bye. Psycho. Okay, hi. No shit. Okay. Gotta run. Fast. Move it. My bad.
Lost visual. Stand down.
Okay. Did it. Where's my money? Okay, let me get my shotgun. That somehow I have. Oh, yeah, we're gonna need you. Damn it. Come on. Whoa. Okay. Let me see that counts. I did take down the drones. Wait, I just died. Wait, I'm not taking back. How do I get back to Gorilla Core? Or Gorilla Town? How do I get back to my house? How do I get back? You know what? I'm not using it. I'm using a freaking.
Compliance requested. 30 seconds
I
from
can use that because I'm trying not to. I'm scared.
Automatic size allowed.
Yo. First bit. Okay, I took down the drones. You're gonna give me my reward. Frick you, Psycho. I'm never helping you again. Singer sucks. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Oh. Got you.
Enforcement light. In 30 seconds,
100,000.
speech begins.
Come on,
All citizens to the square. Shootness is cooperating.
Woo! Party!
Keep going.
I'm a birdie and I like it. No!
Outpacing my responsibilities by 2 blocks.
Legs on autopilot.
If I walk faster, the email will find me.
Huh! You. No!
Attention. Event underway. Present yourself to the main square. Applauding on beat appreciated.
Find the first clue. Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go.
Hold on, a pigeon's judging me.
City Hall. Let's. Yeah, I think Lighthouse. Hi, now. Oh my bad. I didn't know. I thought we had children there. My bad. My bad. You didn't know what varsity that you did. Totally sniper did that. Well, guess what? Oh shit! Woo! My bad. My bad. Yeah, I just want to turn it quick. Okay, never mind. Sharp turns, sharp turns. You. What? What? Jitsu. Swoosh. Third cut. Okay. Okay, if I can. Thank you. Construction, okay. Got my way over. Dun dun dun. Oh hi! This is the cat from Miami Cat. What are you doing? Yeah, jump on me. Oh no, my fellow bird needs help. Is that FaceTime? Yeah, you think you can come back and poop on my bird?
Eyes rolled
Get
back.
help! Bruh. Run, fellow bird.
Not moving.
This is my Olympic audition.
We're gonna check how much money I have, honestly. Do it. Ow! What did I do? I was seeing a fellow bird. Okay, that's just bird test. What if you were doing that to your humans? You'd kick us out of the way? So why can't I do it to you?
We got outbird again.
Yeah, losers. Oh my gosh. Peach. Hot, my favorite thing. Hopefully happen soon. Hippie. Where? Okay. Yo, okay. Hi, bud. Now, where's your key? Oh, hi. Yep. Run! Fly! So that's illegal. Oh, okay. Everything's illegal here. This is just bird sick. Am I right? Okay. That's really bad, I have to say. Well, illegal bird shot.
Eyes open. But we're done here.
Yo, chill. Thought I was gonna hit you. Then it's just a hippie dippy baloney. You're a bunch of hippie dippy baloney. Oh yeah, bird shot. Okay. Oh, okay, that's actually good. Yo! Yo, whoa! Bam! Bam! Oh, first we gotta run the cops. The cops don't like me.
Send it. Wind right forward.